I'm going to show you how to use glitter glue and add this to the celluloid here when creating titles, and also adding it to just the film, the clear part itself. Alright, but first we need to do something down here with the paint tray so it won't move around, because you know when you keep dipping your brush in there it's going to keep moving around and this type of deal. Alright, especially when the paint starts to get sticky. So let me show you how to remedy that, make it easier and more user friendly when using it. Okay, I use this. This is dental wax, and I simply use it because it's very versatile. I just take my thumbnail and rake some off of there. You can get this at pretty much any dental supply shop. I peel some of this off just like so. This stuff is really cheap and it's reusable. Alright, so I just flip my tray around the back. And on there, I just stick some there, just as you can see at the end of my pencil eraser, and just put it back onto my table. Press it on there, and now it won't move around. I can go ahead and apply my paints. Next is just a simple process of go ahead and adding in between my titles to add something interesting. Again, the reason I'm doing something like this in my titles is because the subject matter of my film needs to reflect the titles and vice versa. So erratically I'll add color in different ways. So the subject matter of my film here, that of which of a child would do. And of course it's a horror film, so gotta have red. Make sure I fill these spaces up. Any type of places the glitter glue gets into the sprocket holes, I will remove that, and I'll show you later how I'm going to remove that easily. Alright, so there you go, and I just continue that process. Okay, so I got to get a good bit of glitter going on. I still got to add some titles and stuff like that, and titles in different parts. I've got talent to go ahead and start adding names to, including myself, the director. Yes, those of you who know or don't know, glitter glue can wreak havoc in your projector, and I do expect that. I'll be going back through later on after this is dry with a diamond file and going into the sprocket holes in here and removing any type of glitter. Okay, but also you're going to have some of this right here, you know, the glitter glue itself right there on the clear part of the film, so that's going to also be an issue. It's a bit easier for someone like myself who, as you know, you frequent my channel, those of you, that I repair my own equipment anyway. You're going to have hang-ups in your projector and stuff like that. So unless you're very familiar about your own equipment, then this method may not be for you. However, at any rate, once it's all said and done, it looks great on film in your movie. Alright? Okay, so there we go. You get the total idea of it. It just got to dry since it's glitter glue, and then I go on from there. Alright, so Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and do subscribe. Alright, until next time, see ya.